at the tee. It's golfer one.
Change in direction.
Golfer one, a birdie attempt. Ready at the tee. It's golfer one. Golfer one with an eagle attempt. Golfer one, ready to hit. She'll be happy with this. Golfer one, ready to putt. Nice birdie. And now the tee shot of golfer one. Never in my life, a double eagle.
Let's see more of that.
Golfer one at the tee.
This one's on track.
It's an ace. What a fantastic golf shot. Golfer one is ready to tee off.
I don't believe that.
Golfer one looking for a birdie. Golfer one on tee.
That's a long drive, Jim.
Golfer one is away. Looks like a good lie.
Yikes!
Golfer one with the putter, trying for eagle. Golfer one from the tee box. Take out the putter.
That's one way of reducing playing time.
Well done, Peter. Golfer one at the tee.
Get the blade. That's on the green.
Golfer one with an attempt at birdie. And it's in. Ready to tee off. It's golfer one. Starts off with a nice drive. Nice shot. Golfer one with a shot at eagle. Golfer one ready to hit.
Well-placed drive, Jim.
Golfer one.
Sure it is.
Golfer 1 for birdie. Ready at the tee. It's golfer 1.
On the green, pull out the putter.
Golfer 1 with a look at eagle. Golfer 1, a birdie putt. On tee now, it's golfer 1.
That's in a different time zone. Might have needed a little more mustard.
Golfer 1, a chance for eagle. Golfer 1 at the tee.
On the green, pull out the putter.
Golfer 1, putting for birdie. And now the tee shot of golfer 1. It's in the fairway. Golfer 1 with a putt for birdie. Next up, golfer 1. Over to golfer 1.
This one needs enhancement.
Golfer 1 with a look at eagle. Golfer 1 on the tee.
That one was dialed in.
Golfer 1, this for birdie. Golfer 1, final tee shot. Golfer 1 trying for birdie.